Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this info icon, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on this camera icon in the place of the profile picture, let's say. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the stickers, we've got the AR emoji, we've got also the camera option, and after picking it, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can pick something from the gallery, and I will pick this option, of course, give all the permissions and find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see right now, you can change the position of this square and the highlighted circle inside of it. You can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with how you crop the photo, just tap on done. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the contact, so remember to tap on save. And as you can see, this is how it looks applied. After getting back, you can also see it on the contact list and, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.